Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 7 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish the kitchen, and also we added some floors right here. And now we're going to continue working on this. We're also going to add in the door and some windows right here using curtain wall. So now I'm going to go load family, go back to the main, and then look for doors, and then residential, and we have some garage doors right here. So I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna open, and then here you cannot see them because this is a door kind, so you can just click on the architecture and door, or DR. So from DR, we'll be able to add the door right here in front. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this, or I'm gonna edit this to make it bigger or wider. So here I'm going to make this one 2600. You can even make it bigger if you guys want, but for now I'm going to make that one big like that. And then with the height and everything, that's fine. And then we need to add in a floor right here. This is a different floor from the rest because this is a garage door, so most of the time it's concrete or poured in concrete. So now let's go and click on floor. This will be floor number 3. Press or duplicate, edit, and then look for concrete here, and then let's just use this for now. Press OK, and then OK, and then now we could just put in a rectangle first and then go around here. So by choosing pick lines, TR, trim and extend here, and then trim and extend here. Click finish, and we're good. Next, let's add in the curtain wall. So I'm gonna select curtain wall, CS, and let's add it right here onto this wall. And then I'm going to fix this. I'm just going to make this one. We can edit this one, the sizing and everything later on. But for now, I'm gonna put this one like this because I want to add some design here. I want to make this one different. So for now, let's add that, and then go to modify, cut, wall, and then curtain wall, and then we're good. Click here. I'm going to mesh to align from this top to this because it's already there, and then let's just add in curtain grid in the middle, and then we could just edit that later on if you don't want. So it's easier to edit later, but at least we finish it here. So 50 by 65 again, and then there we go. We have something like that. And I just want to go first floor again, and I just want to check if everything is looking good from our point of view right here. And now we can start our second floor. So we need to click on second floor, and this is showing what you need to do so that the underlay is showing, so that you can see all the walls that we created below. Is to go to your property, and here base level, select that. We need to reference first floor, and after that it will appear. The good thing about this is we can select things that we added earlier, and it's good thing because you can select that and then type in CS. If you cannot select it, one of the reason is maybe this is X. So as you can see, you cannot select anything below. So you just need to make sure that this is checked without an X. Okay? That's how you do it. So now, on our second floor, what we can do is select our exterior wall, number 1, CS on that, from A1 to A3 or A2. Going around here to our B2 and going around B3. We're going to edit this because we need to push this one back to have some room. But for now, we're going to concentrate on here just to get the perimeter walls. And then here, you can select this one, and then go again around. So click on D3 and then D2. Don't worry, we're going to push this back. And then after that, we can actually go up to D1. So just push it back like that and then go to A1 again. So what we did is we just added walls that are below as well. But we can extend this now. The dimension that I want you to put here is I want to just select the wall here and move it somewhere right here. I want it to be referenced from this wall. I want it to be 1300 only. But if you see, I think it's ideal for us to just push it back all the way to this wall. Okay? Because couple 200 is not bad at all. At least we could have a bigger one. So just 200, and then here I want you guys to extend this one around 450. So select that wall again once you drag it. Put this one right here around 450. And then you're good. And the only thing we need to do now is to add the interior wall. So select the interior wall on the bottom and then CS. Let's look for the midpoint right here and then just add it from here for now, because we're going to add a wall right about here, and then we could add everything else later. So now let's add a wall right here, and then this wall I want you guys to put around 3600. So we have a 3600 wall right here. I want you to connect it to the wall for the stairs. So now TR, trim and extend. So we have this connected. This is one bedroom. And then we have another bedroom right here. I want you guys to select this one, CS. We have a wall right here in the middle. I'm gonna TR, trim and extend here so that you guys can visualize. What's the the thing here is we're going to add another wall right about here, CS, and then this wall is around 1500. So that's good. And we're going to add, so let's actually make this around 1700. Okay, and then add another wall going here, and this one we need to have at least 3000, and then we have enough room for a door right here. So now we can extend this. So we just got more room for this. We just took some space so that we could give this washroom or bathroom bigger, and then we have enough room to add the door right here. And then now we need to close this wall or this stairs. So select this interior wall, CS, and we just need to add a wall right here because that's going down. Instead of adding railing, we could just add this one, or we could add railing if you guys want. It's up to you. You just need to close those off. And then here, select this one, add a wall right here. So just completing that. And then here you can select this. We need to know how much we can extend here. I want to extend 2600. So just 100 more. And then CS again. Connect it at the end. And then this is 1500. Oops. CS 1500. And then close it off right here. And then we need to have a washroom as well right here. So let's add in another wall, CS. I want it to be 1800. And this wall is overlapping here. So what I advise you is create the, so this one is 2700. So create this one first, and then from here you just pull it back. And then after that, we can then move this, because the only problem that we have is how much space we're gonna add for the door. Because here we can extend this one and then just close it. But now I want you guys to give this one so this is 1044, and then we could just add in, so that's good enough actually. So we don't need to change it much. You just need to add 1800 by 2400, or sorry, 2700. But I like to push it more going here because I want this one to be at least around here. So MV, or we could just, so what we could do is remove this, trim and extend here, So I just made it so we could just extend this one right here. So that's fine. So in terms of here, we want it to be 2700. So just extend it there. So that's fine. And then here we could just extend it all the way there. Like I said, this walls needs to be changed. So here I'm going to put this one as exterior, and then here exterior again, and then TR. So now we have exterior here and then interior here. So I like it to be just one straight here, and then now we could just close this one. Okay, so we could select this door, 700. We could add it right here. Add this door right here. Add this door over here. Another door from the entrance here. And then we have one more door or two doors more to go here and then around here. So that's good. We added the doors, and then what I'm just gonna copy here is this one. I like the end table, so CS. I'm going to add that right about here for now, and then here select that CS as well. I'm going to add it in the midpoint right here. And then the toilet, I want to add that one as well, so that we don't need to look for it later on. And then here select that CS, spacebar to change orientation, and then add it right about there. Okay, what else can we get from here? I think the chair, we can add the chair. So CS, I want the same orientation as below. So I'm gonna add this one right there, and then the lamp as well. Same orientation, so I'm going to have like a reading area here. And then now, I think we're ready to turn this off. Yeah, so we're ready to turn this off. So we could just go back here under properties, and then the base first floor should be none. And then now we have something that looks like this. Okay. So before we finish, I want to insert the beds. So load family, go back to the main, go to furniture, and then beds, and then I usually pick bed box. Press open, and then CM, and then let's add in the queen. So you need to change it. So you need to click it on the right side under properties, and then you can select which one you want. So I choose queen, and then here we could just add the queen right here beside this one, but now we could just extend it more. Okay, and then here we could just select this one, copy on the other side. Okay, so we're good with that. Let's just do it. So CS, let's add the bed right here, and then a bed right here. Also, another bed right about here. And then here, we could just copy this one and keep on adding it onto this side and then this side. I'm going to flush it right there. Give it some room. Move it inside. And then here, copy from here. And then let's copy here as well. Okay. And then let's stop here for now and let's continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.